Right. Okay. Nhasi hatisi kuda kutaura hedu zvakawanda, but I've attended or we've attended a few systems dzanga dzichiita kunge dzine problem but dzisina. Dzichiita according to varidzi vari kuti hadzichagari nemoto dzakukurumidza kudzima. So isystem here ine problem kana kuti chichaitika, chichachinja. Right. Pane patinofana kungwarira, patinotanga kuinstalla system yedu kaipai. Solar system hazvina kunyatsobuda economically to invest in the least radiation case, kana kuti tidesign system yako kuti ikupe moto wakakwana when there is least radiation or irradiance. That system becomes very big, expensive and unnecessary. So what we do, we try to average basing on winter radiation and summer radiation. In summer we've got much, in winter we've got less. So in terms of hours, in winter we've got 6 hours, in winter we've got 4 to 4.5, whilst in summer 6 here in our case here in Zimbabwe, right? So tinotaura pekutanga paya system yenyu muda kuti ishande, zvinoda kuti ishande zvakati firiji, TV, malights. Alright. Budget yedu yakamira sei? Inini ndine budget yakamira so. Alright. Pabudget yenyu takudesigna system yenyu takadai. Asi zivai kuti paticha approacha winter, moto wenyu unogona kuita mushoma nemhaka yekuti tatenderera patiri seZimbabwe, so tatenderera stereki tichienda kure nekwakamira zuva. Saka maonera takurita raakure. Space yedu yatiri related to the sun, the angle yacho very slant, such that isu takati kuti solar yanyatsowana maximum irradiance inofana kuuya iri at right angles. Saka tine takatiuta yedu asi muwinter munoda futi kunyatsotiuta more kuti iuye at 90, which is not practical in most cases because our roofs are, we put panels on roofs and our roofs are not movable parts. So in solar farms they do what is called trekking. It can be combined vertical trekking or not trekking, or combined vertical and also not trekking, where there's a system that senses the movement of light and it changes the tilt of the panel and the azimuth of the panel constantly. But it's not necessary for domestic applications. That for solar farms, yes, because it's a business meant to maximize returns. So kana tanyatsotauririrana takupinda muwinter, ibvai maziva kuti system yenyu ichafesa kachallenge kekuti moto uchange uri mushoma. Moto unotorwa kubva kuzuva mushoma nenyaya yekuti mapanels anenge ari mashoma, moto uchaenda kubhatiri mushoma nemhaka yekuti load harichinji. TV zvainongoda haichinji zvayanotora, malights haachinji. Chinochinja, chiri kuchinja isource. Saka mukangoita on fridge yenyu, TV yenyu same hours dzamunoita musama, muwinda munozoona kuti taakurwisana nesystem panapa. Iyo kuti handichazvigoni kuti ita wakambozvigona, but inenge isisazvigoni. So what is the solution? The solution, one, is you have to know that that is the case. Systems designed for summer will fail in winter. Systems designed in winter for winter are not economically feasible. They are not sensible. They don't make sense, because in summer they will be wasting energy. You see, they will just be sitting there and nothing will be happening. At 10 o'clock a.m. the battery is full, the panels are just doing nothing. You see, so when you know now that in winter I'm going to have a challenge, that's when you will then implement some energy management techniques, strict energy management techniques. Kana kuti a little upgrade of the system, of which kana tataura pekutanga paya uchiti maybe budget iri tight, asi ndinogona kuzowana imwe mari, tinogara taisa provision yekuti tizokwanisa kuupgrade system yako zvisina kubvisa zvakawanda kuti tiupgrade. You see, if we have that information before or in time, we will make sure that we fix those things that are not supposed to be changed. For example, an inverter. An inverter is wise to fix its size. So we select the inverter which will have capacity to accommodate extra panels, and we will select a system voltage level which will allow addition of batteries in series parallel depending on the voltage level that we select. We select an inverter in a capacity yekuzotora more panels kana yamari yazovapo, nemukana wekuti bhatiri rinozowedzerwa. So nebhatiri racho tinoisa bhatiri rinozowedzereka, nokuti kune mamwe kuti hauzokwanise kuwedzera. Kune maconditions, like especially lithium ion batteries, kune maconditions. Even kumacheo kwacho kune maconditions. Time, the time has to be known to the client that if you want to upgrade for batteries, this is the duration that you are supposed to have added to your battery. But for solar panels, no, there's no deal anytime, because life of a solar panel with the almost linear performance is close to 20 to 25 years. It will still be doing almost very good, right? As long as you clean its surface once in a while to remove the dust, because soiling is a very big effect. It gives some time shading, on the panel, such that it will not receive the irradiance straight to the cells. So this is something that will appear like a problem when it's not. Hapana chinenge chafa izuva kwekuti rafa, but chafa hapana, asi kuti chachinja tisu tatenderedzwa patange mbenge tiri paya earth yazotenderera ikatiendesa kure nezuva. vanenge vapadhuze nezuva ndevamwe vari kune imwe hemisphere. Isu tiri kusouthern hemisphere, vamwe vari kunorthern hemisphere. Saka isusu patinoenda kure nezuva, vari kunorthern hemisphere ndo vaapadhuze navo. Ndinokuda kuzama kutaura kuti ndisati zuva rakure rafamba, isusu tisi tafamba tikaenda kure naro, iro rangozvimirira zvaro. Asi patiri kufamba paipai, ava vari kune imwe hemisphere yeEarth vari kunorthern ndo vaakusvika padhuze nezuva. Pavanenge vakurewo, isu tinoita padhuze, so tinochinjana. Ndosaka masolar panels edu isusu achitarisa kunorth, nokuti ndo kunenge kune zuva ime patiri isusu. Rinongoenda further north or closer, but rinenge riri kunorth. Ikoko kunorthern hemisphere anotarisa kusouthern, iyo ndo azimuth, surface collector azimuth. So ndingangoti after this video ndichaisa a few systems that we attended to and advised clients on what was supposed to be done. And some systems also we upgraded the protection systems. Some systems we reoriented the panels. Not that our systems don't fail. No, I'm not saying that. We have systems that fail because some failures are manufacturers' failures. Some failures are due to negligence during installation. Some failures are due to user behavior because of lack of knowledge of what exactly is there, what exactly are they supposed to use. Because for example, munhu anosara oisa drill machine yoita, oisa microwave yoita, pozouya welder ti no, I think zvinoita, you see. Kana kuti mumwe musiwo poitika mukana wekuti jagi nemicrowave zvaitwa on same time, haana kuziva. Anongoziva kuti pakamboita jagi rakaita on, pakamboita microwave yakaita on, pakamboita aini yakaita on, but musuwe kuri kuainwa iyo bhata kana munhu oita chikafu zvaita on same time. Zvinoona, saka it's user behavior, it's installer negligence. Installer negligence mainly it's when there is a loose connection somewhere in the wiring. That's mainly. And some other failures come as a result of incompatibility or using connectors from different manufacturers. So when you put those connectors, female and male, together, if they are not from the same manufacturer, they are bound to leave a small gap. That small gap is a source of arcing, and with the time that connection may fail and disconnect the solar panels or some solar panels from the system. So under such circumstances, unogona moto wadzika uri kuchaja zveshuwa, not because of winter or summer, but because some few panels have been taken off the system because there are some connections that have failed. So yeah, so it doesn't end with installation. No, it's just like the power utilities. I'm sure every day you see trucks of power utilities moving up and down. They will be rectifying faults. They will be checking their system. They will be maintaining the system. You see, so a solar system is just like a utility on a small scale. It's a utility supplying a household. So it requires the same, but the advantage is solar is almost like the the maintenance required is very minimal, very minimal. Kana uri kunzvimbo inoita chamupupuristeri neguruva kusina miti yakawanda, potawo uchingoisa mvura pamapanels ako, mvura ichiti uchikina, nekuti ari kusina dust akasiyana newe. Kune dust kunovhara surface, kusina hakuvhari, saka zvamunema kutoona zvinhu zvatosiyana. So it's also about where you are, the conditions, climatic conditions of where you are, you see. So I think video yacho ingazoredes tichangoita tichidzi tichisanganawo nezvimwe tichidzidzawo, nekuti panofeila system, process yekuinvestigata inotoita kuti tisarewo tichiwana something new, you see. I think zvinoitika across all industries kuti maproblems they bring in more information, they make you engage more and you find something new always. So we are very happy to attend to problems, even if the systems are not our own, or I mean the ones that we installed. Any other system, we are ready to dive in and try to figure out what was done, where is the failure coming from, and what is the possible solution. We are very much willing and excited. We've got excitement that comes with solving problems. We feel satisfied by solving problems, you see. Especially kana tikasolva ikabudirira, ayo toita kuti tatobhadhara, totonzwa kuti tatopiwa mari, tisati tapiwa mari, kuti zvashanda. So thank you.